Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend, and this is Prince here, your trading friend. So today, Friday, we are closing our trades, and somehow I always keep telling that closing on Fridays in profit will always give you a very good booster. And also just wanted to update you, seeing the intraday strangle, I just came to know recently that all of those who are trading with me are only doing the intraday strangle. Yes, I agree. It is continuous profits. So today also we made good profits and closing this week in full profits. There was only one loss in this week. The accuracy is increasing day by day. No doubt, it is good thing to continue. And mind you, this is with just half the funds. If at all you are using full funds, this profit would have been more. So people, those who are interested, can continue. There is nothing harm. But since our uh, whole motive of doing this strangle was to make use of the funds which was idle. Our main concentration was on the covered call. So we are moving away from covered calls to strangle. That is what I just want to say you people, those who are doing only the day method. Basically, our money is idle in the night. So just try to use the night strategy as well. It's not that it's very bad. I agree we had a very bad continuous losses, but it's part of trading. Every trader will undergo this kind of phase. It is common. Only thing is we need not quit. We have to continue. Keep a loss for yourself. So the loss which I have kept is 20,000. In case if I am reaching 20,000, then I will quit. But as of now, I will be continuing with same thing. Okay. So people, those who are not yet subscribed and not yet watched my channel, you can just watch. All the videos have been uploaded from past 3 months. All the trades have been uploaded when I did in the month of June. So all these trades have been uploaded. I think April is uploaded. May is also uploaded. So in case if you have missed the videos, just go through my channel. You'll get full updates. And let us go to today's live trading. Sorry, today's trade without wasting much time. And so Bajaj Finance was a stock which I had selected, and it's one of my favorite stock now. Bajaj Finance, it's trending superbly. Okay, so I have decided to go bullish. I have to I have to take covered call option. So I'm just trying to take nearest strike price. So you can see around 3,200 is the nearest strike price. The open interest is also fair enough, good enough. Then I have to take 10% far away insurance. Okay, so basically I'm trying to safeguard my capital. I don't want big profits, I don't want big losses. I just have to make sure that my losses are limited. So 2,800 is fair enough. So I am adding 2,800 put option as my insurance. So you can see my third leg has been added. So these are the three legs which I am planning to take. So I am planning to go ahead with Bajaj Finance future, that is buying of the future, and then adding the call option, selling the call option, and then adding the put options. So while executing, friends, be very careful. Always make sure that you place a limit order and then take your trade. So you can see I am placing it at 193, and if at all it's not getting executed immediately, do the modification. Only once when it is completed we will be taking the future. Okay, so you can see it is quickly moving down. Bajaj Finance is quickly moving down, so we also have to do the tweaking. So we are losing out on our profits, not a problem. Since it's getting hedged with the future, immediately place the future order. Okay, so you can see I have placed immediately the future order, and the position is almost hedged now. Now coming to the insurance part, you can take your time, little bit of time, not a problem. But basically make sure that your covered call is executed immediately. So my three legs have been placed. So you can see these are my three legs as of now. I am hedging my position 70%. So even since you're taking a future option, you have to be very careful, friends. If any wild movement is there, your capital will go for a big toss. That is why I'm hedging almost 70%. So this was the position. Morning I just closed my position. Made a profit of around 1,700 rupees. Actual P&L is more than 2,000, but let us take 1,700 itself. P&L means from yesterday to today. Now I am going ahead with Tech M for my intraday strangle. Now how did I get Tech M? I just did the trend analysis and then found out that Tech M was fair enough. Now I have to take the OTM which are having the same premiums. Okay, so I'm just trying to add the premiums. Techem around 560 is will be my, not the call, it's the put option which I have to add. Okay, 560 put and 640 call option. Okay, so if at all you observe, you can see almost the premiums are same. So this is what exactly we are talking about, the delta neutral or nothing but the strangle. We are going to take position. Okay, so I immediately sold one of my leg, and then I am just adding another leg as well, and intraday position limit orders. This is very important, friends. This is not bank nifty or this is not nifty where you can place market orders. You are placing limit orders only. Okay, so you can see that I am placing both the orders. Both the orders have been placed, and then end of the day I just, you can see that within 10 minutes we got our profits. Not even end of the day, at 9:37 and at 9:47 I just closed my position, and you can see that I am in good profit of 1700, overall profit of 3332. So that is what I updated in my Excel as well, in the drive. So I just uploaded 1700, although it is more than 2000 here. Let us take same 1700. And what a way to complete our weekend. And all those of you who are following Strangle with me, I think you have reached 20,000 and you can stop trading for the month. For people those who are having 10% targets, in fact this 20,000 is achieved by less than 1 lakh. Okay, so if at all you have achieved your targets, you can stop trading for this month. Almost we have reached half of the month. So people those who are very conservative traders, I recommend you to please stop trading for the month, because you remember last month also we had this learning that in spite of after booking the profits also we continued, and then we made a major loss in the month end. Okay, so these are just part of conservative trading. People those who are planning for long term need to follow these kinds of rules. Okay, so as of now this is the position we are, and Friday a good way to close our position in profits. Any other doubts, any other confusion, you can always WhatsApp me. My number is 8095 876525. Thank you and have a nice day.